So in the meantime of getting everything done, well, looks like we got some trash there. We got the battery replacement on the mower because it just wasn't working anymore. So this is what they call a C7 battery. Went to Tractor Supply, picked up a 250 cold cranking amp. One, returned the old battery. This one's got a little go handle. It's pretty cool because the other one's a pain in the butt. So we're gonna stick it back in here. Just like that. And see if I can set you up here. Can't really quite see. So I guess I'll just hold it. Take off the battery covers. I need the, oh no, I think I have the bolts connected to those. Yeah, I do. All right. Let's set you down. Now this thing wouldn't crank without charging the battery about 60 times because it thought it was full, but it ain't. And that's most likely because it was missing a cell, or just one of the cells were dead, or there was a lot of cold weather that happened here this year and it just finally killed it. Even though I had it on a battery tender, you know, sometimes it don't work. Happened to several motorcycles I had where it just stops working. And I'm not cutting it. This is the hold down. It's a little bit of a stretch to get it in there without a pair of pliers. I might have to get a pair of pliers. And go the other way here. There we go. All right. So, this thing's cold as ice. I used it yesterday. Take off our thing here. It is not in gear. It does need to have the brake on. And here we go. We'll give it a shot. Oh look, it beeps. That's new money right there. That's new money. Now I can just open up the back of the barn and mow instead of having to mess with that thing. Anyway, I always got plenty of stuff going on here. I'm gonna put my wrench away here. A couple more seconds of time. I put the most popular tools I use right there, top of the bench, along with 1,000 other things. But anyway, everything works. That's what I needed right there, so I can mow the dang lawn. Later.